Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to claim Discord Nitro without credit card and is it possible? Well, all you have to do is to open your Discord right here and at the top left you will see this Nitro here. You have to click this one and as you can see you have options here on how to subscribe to your Nitro. So you can tap this basic, okay, you can select a plan, basic, you can also tap yearly or monthly. So if you tap from any of this option, you have to proceed with the payment method. And then in case that you don't have your credit card, you can still have your PayPal right here or other payment methods such as GCash. Actually, in other countries, you can select a payment method not just for credit card. So for example, if you tap PayPal right here, all you have to do is to connect your PayPal. You have to proceed and make sure that your PayPal has enough funds. Also in my country, we have this GCash, or in your country, you have other method or payment method. All you have to do is tap that one, enter the information right here, or you can search for other ways on how to pay to Nitro except credit card. So in my country, I have this payment method, which is GCash or PayPal. You must have enough fund to proceed in purchasing Nitro. So again, I repeat, it depends on the location or country where you're staying right now. You can have your PayPal or other method except your credit card. So if you have any suggestions or topics that you want us to create for tutorials, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.